Staying up all night watching a trade go against you hurts. But nothing pains more than missing a perfect setup just because you fell asleep after hours of research and analysis. As a trader, I used to struggle with exactly these. But everything changed when I discovered the system that scaled me from $200 per month to $5,000 per month without sacrificing my sleep or sanity. In this video, I'll break down exactly how I did it and how you can too, even if you're a complete beginner. You see, trading success really comes down to three things: funding, strategy, execution, and management. Most traders don't fail because they lack funding or even a good strategy. They fail because of poor execution, the emotional part. Think about it. Why is it so easy to stay calm and profitable on demo, but the moment you go live, you start second guessing, panicking, or closing trades too early? It's not the market, it's emotion. Managing fear, greed, and inconsistency is every trader's biggest battle. And honestly, that's why I stopped trying to fight it manually. I switched to a system that executes my plan perfectly. Zero emotions, zero overthinking, just discipline. And that system is called automated trading. Some call it algorithmic trading, others call it bot trading. Whatever name you use, the goal is the same: to let your strategy trade for you while you live your life. Forget the big words. The idea is simple. You connect to a programmed code that follows your exact trading strategy. It analyzes the market, spots setups, enters, manages, and closes trades for you. And the best part? You do absolutely nothing. Here's why it works. Algorithmic trading doesn't get tired. It doesn't get scared. It doesn't chase losses or get greedy. It just follows rules perfectly every single time. That's the real edge. Because consistency is what separates traders who survive from those who burn out. Now, if you're already pumped up and wondering how to start, here's exactly how I began. I first tested my automated strategy on a demo account. I wanted to see if my strategy could run automatically without me doing anything. I let it run for a month, and it achieved what used to take me weeks to do manually. So I moved to a small $200 live account. It performed even better. That gave me the confidence to scale up. So I got a $100,000 funded account, connected the bot, and that's when things really changed. From struggling to make a few hundred a month, I started printing consistent $5,000 per month, fully automated. Now here's the truth. When you try to start this yourself, you'll probably hit a few walls. Things like, how do I build my own bot? How do I connect it? What if I mess something up? That's exactly why I decided to make things easier. I've made the same bot I used, the one that grew my $200 account, available for you to test for free. No coding, no setup headaches. Just plug it in and see how automation can change your trading game. If you're ready to experience it for yourself, the link's in my bio. Join the community and start automating your trades today. Now ask yourself this: would you rather feed your ego, stare at charts all day, and keep sticking to a manual system that clearly doesn't work? Or simply connect to automation and start profiting while you sleep? The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like for more bot trading guides. And if you've been wondering how I got my prop firm funded account or the best prop firms to use, watch this video right here on the screen.